Hey guys, welcome to my new video. If you have applied for the PAN and got an email like this saying that you have not provided some documents. I have applied for the PAN yesterday and received this mail saying that I have not provided the proof of address and the proof of identity. And clearly see here, they are saying that they have observed these discrepancies in my application. But I know I have provided the Aadhaar as the proof of address and the identity, but sometimes it happens. So if you receive this mail, don't worry. I will tell you what to do next. Don't need to be worried. Your amount will be safe and your application will process further. Here they will say to send the documents to the post, but we don't need to send them through post. We can just email them the documents. I will show you how to email them. Here you need to send them a mail like this. See this? Clearly you have to write something like this: your acknowledgement number, date of application, and name of the applicant, and if some matter. I have right here that I have provided PAN, but you are saying I have not provided. So I'm again reattaching the file. You can reattach the file. If you have provided Aadhaar as the proof, you can reattach Aadhaar. If you have provided multiple documents, you can reattach them here. And after this, you have to send this to the mail address. Here you can see tininfo@proteantech.in. You can clearly see the email here. You have to mail this to this. And when sending the mail, clearly place the subject as submitting proof of identity and address. Whatever the mail you received, highlight the subject as that submitting proof. Then they will easily know what is your mail about. And after sending this mail, they will send you a written email immediately. After sending that mail, you will receive a mail saying that they have received your documents. Here you can see they have received documents and they have subjected to be verification. That means they will verify your documents. If they are in order, they will forward that to the income tax department. Okay. Again, you will receive another email. After this email, you will again receive another email saying your documents are in order. If they are okay, then you will say that your documents are okay. I will show you that also. Here see, this is another email I received after sending the previous mail. Here my documents are in order. That means my documents are accepted by them and my PAN card will be issued. Okay. After you have received this mail, within 1 day you will get the PAN card. That is e-PAN, and the actual physical card will be delivered after almost 10 days. I hope this video suits you well.